Yeah, because
stop confusing, Yes, I got my friend.
okay, yeah, because I was told they are not supposed to say it's easy.
Okay, that one is the simpler.
Simpler. Alright.
You do 9 divided by 3 because like it's.
Wait. Okay, wait a minute. We are going into question now, right? So those who are playing your phone, who's playing your phone? I see one girl playing with phone. The girl playing with phone, better put it away. Okay? One girl, and my finger is pointing there. See? Right, put away. Okay. Alright, so let's look at this, right? I don't know. When I look at this, it seems tough for me, and I don't feel like looking at it. Okay. How can it be easy? I mean, do y'all? What nine?
Is this a PSA?
No, it's not. This some school media paper.
You need to find one side and duplicate the other side.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
9, okay, XY is 19, right?
Wait.
I already gave up one.
XY is a straight line measuring 9. Where's XY? So
XY. That one is 9, right?
Yeah.
Then since a rhombus, the big rhombus is twice as big
This
as
is
the
9.
rhombus. 9 divided by 3. So the small rhombus is between the equilateral triangle.
Now, how do you know the length of this thing? Huh? Yeah. How do you? Wait. No. Wait a minute, people. So the whole thing here is 9, correct? 4 rhombuses and 4 equilateral. XY is a straight line, which is 9. Find the parameter of the figure. I mean, this is 9, and therefore?
That's 3.
Which one is 3? Here is 3. Yeah. Here is 3. How do you know?
Because she's smart.
And here is 6.
Yeah.
How do you know?
You just know.
What do you mean?
You just know.
There's no clue there.
The clue is the length here.
Oh, I know why. Because it doesn't matter. What? Sorry? What is that? Duplicate? Cannot. You cannot duplicate. No. Cannot. Duplicate cannot. Okay, I know why already. I know why. Okay, you gotta listen carefully. So they tell us that this is 9, right? If I put 3, 6, it will work. What if I put another number? 4, 5? Yeah. If I put 4, 5? Let's try. Right? If this is 4, then here is 4, right? And this is 4. 4. Wait, so here all 4, right? How many 4s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? So yeah, so I get 32, and then here it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then it's 40. I will get 72. Hey, people, the 2 people, talk too loud, okay? Okay. Later we will address that whole problem, okay? But look at this first. So can you see that it doesn't matter what number you assume, you will still get 72. Okay, if you don't believe it, try extreme one. Imagine something wrong with my eyes, and I put here 1, and then here is like 8. So 1 times 8 equals to 8, and then 8 times 8, 64. You add together, still 72.
You're so smart.
You see that?
Yes. Where do you find a green light?
Where do I find a what?
Green light bulb.
Green light pause? What do you say?
A brain like yours.
Oh, a brain like mine. Where did I find? I didn't find it, right? I was born with it. What are you talking about? Right? I'm not a genius. I told you I was in the worst class when I was primary school, right? Yeah, they threw me into a worst class. Wait, yes. What?
The length of the rhombus is the same as the length of the equilateral.
Oh, okay. You see, rhombus means that here equal to here equal to here equal to here. Okay, rhombus. Then equilateral means that here equal to here equal to here. So you can see all the little they're all the same.
It's an optical illusion. You see the rhombus. Oh wow.
They're all the same. Okay, so we go by rules, right? You cannot look at the thing and say, no, this is not the same. No, we go by the rules. So equilateral equal to the wrong first, okay? Yeah, so I don't have a big brain, right? No, I didn't grow my brain. I what? I don't know. I'm not so sure about that, but I ate a lot of ice cream, right? Yeah, I ate like a ton of ice cream. I don't know. I just ate a lot of ice cream. I'm like ice cream monster since young. Okay, like in my fridge now there's ice cream. No, I don't think there's any correlation. Okay.
So then your mom will like
No.
Yeah, of course. I go home tell my mom, if I eat ice cream, I'll become a teacher. I'll be very smart. Yeah, alright.
No, of course she doesn't know. She doesn't know the. She doesn't know the amount of ice cream I eat, right? If she knows, she'll be like, "Are you stupid? Why do you buy so much ice cream?"
How much do you eat?
What?
How much do you eat?
I can eat. You know the Ben and Jerry, the tub.
Oh my God,
I can eat like half the thing.
So pathetic.
While watching movie.
That's pathetic. Actually,
Huh?
So you watch movie?
Yeah, Netflix. Yeah, and I watch a ton of movies. Right?
What did you do before?
What did I do?
Yeah.
You mean when I was P6?
Yeah. What do you do before you?
Okay, we cannot compare because last time there's no, like we don't know what will come out last time.
It wasn't as stressful.
Yeah, it wasn't that stressful because there's no way to prepare last time, so we don't know what will come out. You know, so I was playing games. No, we don't know what will come out. Do you understand?
I thought you were playing games like this.
No, because we didn't know.
Like me.
No, there's no point. There's no point studying because they were IQ questions. You know, IQ questions for math. You know those IQ. Let me show you an example. No, it's not common sense. It's like if you don't know, you don't know, right? There's no way to. Yeah, like stuff like that. Right?
Wow,
like
that's so easy.
no, things like that, right? How to prepare? How you prepare? How to prepare? How to prepare? You tell me how to prepare. Practice what? It may not be number. You know, it can be like this. What if it was like this? How? Practice what? I don't know what to practice. Like this, I don't even know. Which figure logically belongs? What? I don't know.
I know that one.
Wait. Okay, let's see if you are a genius, right? Are you a genius? So this is your. Oh, wait a minute. 11 times 11 equals 4. What? 22 times 16. 33 times 33.
8, then 11 is 2.
What?
Then 33 times 33 is
What's this?
144.
144. What do you think?
36.
36 anymore?
Wait.
No, I don't even know. Like I look at this and like,
Oh, 4 times 1, 8 times 2.
28. Okay.
Then 4 times 1, 8 times 2. I put 64.
Wait, now let me guess. Okay.
I think 64.
No.
12 times 3. 12 times 3. I think 64.
64. Wait, what?
6.
I don't see any relationship. Okay.
No, 26.
26.
No, the top one is 1 times 4.
1 times 4. Okay. Then here, 2 times 8.
No, yeah, 1 times 4.
2 times 8. Then 3 times 16.
3 times
Okay.
12.
3 times 12. Okay.
8, 12.
I don't know. So you have an answer? You have an answer? Let's go and check whether they give us. Yeah, we check. Okay. What's the answer? They better give me an answer. Right? There's no answer.
No,
What do you press this? I go Pinterest. Press.
IQ test, no type on the IQ test.
What in the world?
The IQ test, that literally the word in that one.
Tap this.
So this is what
Allow. Where?
Oh wait, go back.
This one, right?
Yeah, that one.
Open. And the answer is?
24 comments. Go to the comments.
No, we don't even know if it's true. No, there are so many answers. 18.
Go down.
The guy never give answer. What in the world?
Some is saying
36. Wait, 1 equals 4. 1 plus 1 times 1 plus 1. How to do like that? That doesn't make sense, okay? So you see this weird stuff, right? This one.
Oh, that one is so fun.
This one?
Oh, yes.
How many legs do you see?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10.
9. Yeah, 9.
I see 5.
5. 5. 5.
5.
And why do I see 9?
5. Okay. But there's no answer. How to see answer? Ah, nothing happened. Okay.
There's only one comment, right? 5, yeah.
5. Yeah, 5. 5 lah.
Is that on the bottom, right?
Yeah.
It's a very painful thing to see.
No, of course, my questions were not like that, right? They were all shapes. Most of them were shapes. Shapes, right? I show you. They're not numbers. They're like this one. This house. I remember I see like, like how you prepare. What is there to prepare for this house? Where do you go? Where do you go?
What's the question?
Which of the four will be the result of folding this paper?
Oh.
You fold, what do you get?
So there's no tuition last time.
No.
It's number 2, I think.
I don't know how you teach this stuff, okay? Like now I have no idea.
Number 2.
Is it?
Number 2. Okay.
Wait, let's see.
Yeah,
The correct
number
answer is
2.
the right one with the star facing forward. This one.
Huh?
This answer.
Oh, yeah.
I-
Yeah. There's one question.
Yeah, you see, you all get it, I don't get it, okay? I'm just moving on.
No, I don't get it. Mine is on the left, not on the back.
Why?
Because you have to fold it. Like that becomes a square beside the something.
Okay. Okay.
You know, for those weird kindness day.
So y'all very clever lah, you know. Yeah, I get a lot of this, okay? This dot stuff. No, I need the answer. No answer, I don't know.
What?
What in the
Is it
world?
from who? Wait, what?
Yeah, never mind lah, don't wanna. I don't have the answer, right? So that's not so good. Then we'll know. Yeah, so that's basically what we did, okay? There were no heuristic, or even if there were heuristic, we didn't know they were called heuristic, right? They're just like, it's just a difficult math problem sum. And most of the, I remember there was one question I didn't know how to solve. I did the whole paper, and then I had 30 minutes left. So I just guess and check every number from 20 to 60. You know what I mean? So I tried 20, doesn't make sense. 21, doesn't make sense. 22, doesn't make sense. 23, doesn't make sense. 30 minutes, what? So I just kept trying out. That's correct, and I got 36. And that was correct.
36 for what?
The answer?
Oh,
That was it, okay?
which one?
No, my time. I wish I can show you the question now, right? That was so long ago. All right, so now let's take a look at question number 29. 29. Okay, the ratio of the number, let's stop the IQ question, all right? Okay, ratio of the number, in fact, I prefer nowadays because I see that a lot of the questions are preparable. You can prepare them. Last time when they came out with all these weird questions, there were actually a lot of people complaining. They said like, oh, dude, there's no way to prepare. How you want people to prepare for this kind of thing? Yeah, so there were. No, you can't blame it because now how to prepare IQ question.
Yeah, I don't.
Yeah, so nowadays you can prepare because they couldn't answer like why you give questions that cannot be prepared, right? So nowadays they give things that can be prepared. You see that?
But then they make it much harder.
But it can be prepared. You understand? Now when I look at the thing, I'm like, I close up an eye, I can try to do because I prepared. I prepared for 14 years already. You understand? What? What? I passed that time. I got 241. 241.
The top scorer at my school last year got 27.
No, I wasn't top scorer. I was like the average. I was like average, okay? Last time.
And I don't even think I can get that.
Because now it's preparable, you see. I think I was really.
Last year, also the top scorer in my school last year. I think was like 279 or 279.
Wow, so invincible.
She went to NUS.
Okay. I went to NUS when I was 22 years old. So she went to NUS when she was 12.
She's in NUS.
All right. Okay. Moving on, right? So now it's preparable. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say. Last time, no such thing, right? You just go, okay, and do what you can. All right. So anyway, look at this. The ratio of the number of girls, the number of boys is 2:3. So what we do is we write G for girls and B for boys, right? Everyone can do that, right?
Don't be sexist.
What? 2:3. So 65 girls left the camp. So minus 65 here. And the ratio of girls, what?
You said do not write this.
Do not write what?
Do not write this.
Yeah, never mind, that's the answer. Okay, now if you know heuristic, this is called before and after single and change. Right? Single and change. What do you mean by single and change? Because the number of boys never change. So what do we do?
4 times 3.
Yeah, we create another table, which I'm going to use another color, right? To make this 12. So this 12, this 12. So if this is 12 here times 4, right? It becomes 8. This times 3, 3 is to 12. You see, I've done this like a million times, so it's super fast for me. 65. Now here, these are units, right? U. So 5U represents, yeah. Yeah, 1U is 13. Total number of children at the camp, 20U. 260. So if you know the template of before and after single and change, you look at this, it's like simple. And other people look at you and say, you are a genius.
Yeah.
You are a genius. But then it's like, I've done this 1 million times. Okay. Yeah? Do what? Oh, that's tough. Later. Who say easy? Really?
Yeah, the big brain now.
Big brain. You try that. Okay, this is 32. Right? I don't know. Let's take a look at this. So Charlie used 2 cents for his pocket money to buy 4 packets of flour and 7 packets of sugar. The cost of 2 packets of flour was the same as that of 3. Okay, you got to do conversion here, right? Now, if 2 flour is 3 sugar, what's 4 packets of flour?
6.
Yeah, so it's 6 sugar. Okay, so 2 out of 7 can buy 13 sugar. 2 out of 7 is 13 sugar.
Why?
Because 4 packets is 6 sugar. Charlie loves to eat sugar. Right, 2 packets equals 3 sugar. So 4 packets of flour equals 6 sugar. So 2 out of 7 of his money is 13 packets of sugar. What was the most number of packets of sugar that Charlie could buy with the money he had left? So how much does he have left? 5 over 7, right?
Oh,
yeah, left. So if we know that 2 over 7 can buy 13 bags, 1 over 7 can buy how many bags? 6.5 bags, right? So 5 over 7, just multiply by 5. 32.5. So there's no such thing as buying half a pack, right? The NTUC auntie will scold you, you know? You go there and say, auntie, I just want half a pack and open. Auntie call police. No algebra, use common sense, isn't it?
No, we don't have common sense.
Use. No need bracket, right? Just like that.
Bracket equals to Z. Then only just put bracket equals P.
Okay, so you understand? So you can't buy half a packet, right? So it's a maximum of 32 packets. Okay, so we're done with this. Moving on to the next one. I'm going to pass you the next paper now. Do what? B? What? Mean? Wheel? Oh, the wheel. Yeah. Come. Okay, do one first. Wait. Then later we'll play again. Okay. Here we go. Okay, so we're gonna go through everything right now. Let's start from question number 1. No. Listen. Let's go through together, okay? So the figure shows a semicircle and 2 quarter circles, square find the area. Now we know that semicircle plus 2 quarter circle equals to 1 whole circle. So all you have to do is to find the area of 1 whole circle, which is pi times 15 times 15. What's the answer? I don't have the answer. Is it 706.5? Next we take, yeah, so 30 times 30 is the equals to 900, right? That's the area of the whole square. So you take 900 minus 706.5, 193.5. Okay, cm squared. That's the answer. Okay, can? All right, next. All right, so here, done this already. So this 126 is done. Moving on. Is it okay? Anyone needs me to explain some more? No. Okay, moving on. Later. Okay, this is tank P. Measures 20 by 10 by 60. Joe pour 4 pills of water inside. Each pill contains 1.2. How much? Okay, so the whole thing is this 4.8, right? So inside here there's 4.8 liters because Joe poured this inside. How much more water would Joe need to fill the tank? All right, so I need to find the volume of this thing. Yeah. Times 60. Is it 12,000? Yeah. So 12,000 is 12 liters. So how much more? 12. What? More. Like how much more? Yeah, you minus 4.8. 7.2. Yeah, so you need 7.2 liters more. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Which one? Okay, let's look at this, right? So luckily we have the drawing of the same right here. That really does help to solve the question, okay? Mr. Singh baked 3 kinds of buns: red bean, mushroom, and cheese. So red bean, mushroom, and cheese. After selling 2/3 of the red bean, 1/5 of the mushroom, and 5/7 of the cheese, there was an equal number of buns of each kind left. Okay, so actually I want to start from the back. What do I mean by back, right? So this is the back. Everyone, these were the equal amount left.
Oh my God, stop.
1:1.
I got it.
You see? This help you, right? See? What's one thing? Cheese, cheese, red bean, mushroom.
Oh, just repeat.
Yeah, let's repeat.
Don't do anything.
No. I gotta start now. Okay. Yeah. Next.
Yeah.
That's 3, 4,
Hey,
yeah.
don't move. I said don't move. Yeah, don't move.
Don't move on. Okay, now let's continue, right? So you see, so we this tallies, right? The red bean one tallies because there were 3 efforts. 3 efforts, so 3. You minus 2 left 1. Can? Now, now 1/5 of the buns were sold. Then you left with 4, right? So this one should be 4. Can you see that? The mushroom should be 4. But this is just 1. So what can I do? I can upgrade everything to 4. If I change this to 4, this has to be 4. This has to be 4. Now if this is 4, that means all these have to change to times 4, right? So I'm going to get 12. And then here is minus 8. Okay, I know I'm doing some cancellations here that y'all can't do, but this is the best way. Huh? Wait for the final. Wait for the final thing, right? So mushrooms now make sense, right? You see at first there was 5, take away 1, left 4. Then the red bean, at first there was 12, you take away 8, so left with 4. Okay, now let's look at the cheese. Yeah, so 5 out of 7. Hey. 5 out of 7. Now, if you take 5 out of 7, you see, at first you have 7, you minus 5, you left with 2, right? But I don't want 2, I want it to be 4. So I got to change it to 14 minus 10 left 4. So this will be 14, take away 10. So left 4. Okay, so now can you see that you can copy this right now, right? So my entire chart, the table now makes sense because it fulfills all the fractions that they have given us. Okay, and it also fulfills the criteria where there was an equal number of buns of each kind left. Okay. So what was the ratio of the number of red bean buns to mushroom buns to cheese buns with the same baked? Okay, this is a 5. Okay, better. This is a 5. Okay, so we have the answer right here. So the answer is 12 is to 5 is to 14. Okay. Why is 15? Why is it 15? Now it's 15. Multiply wrong. You plus another one.
I get it.
Why you plus another one? Okay. So that's the number. Are you okay, Gabriela? What happened to you? You are in the days. Yeah, what? You just have. Don't worry, right? It's fine. So it's 12, 5, 14 right here. Next. Next one. Okay, are we okay? Can you copy this? Just copy this. No, just this. I did this. You plus wrongly. This is the only combination that fulfills. What?
Why did you take a video?
Let me take a video. Let me take a video. So I'm moving on. Question number 5. Now I'm not gonna explain again. Okay, now 5 is slightly easy because of the once you realize that you can just look at every line. So every line is a 5% increment. So it's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. You know that this is 30 and this is 15. Okay, so the whole thing has to be 100%. Okay, so this is 45 plus 35, that's 80. So this has to be 20%. So you draw this thing right. Okay, 20%. Yes, 30%.
30%.
20, right? You add all this up, add up all this, right? 45, says 80. This is 80. So this is 20%. Okay. Right. So far so good, huh? You see, I took only 5 minutes, right? And we are at question number 5.
Yeah. I think my school goal against you like 2 years ago or something.
Badminton.
Wait, are you what do I do? This year, like no, like 2 years before.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I still got this. I know we went against you.
Yeah, because you know each one is 5%.
2 years ago.
All right, come on, next.
I am pretty sure.
Add all. Next one.
Against you. Yeah. We should also play against. I don't think. But your school is surrendering,
Okay. Okay, now we move on to question 6, right? Now 6 here, as you can see, we have to switch gear. What do I mean by switch gear? They now look so scary. Where you got 36? Any other answers? Anyone? No answer? No? 36 as well? 36?
Yes, I use everything. Oh my god, please. I got 36.
36?
Bro, I didn't
Okay, we're gonna check, okay? Let's try and see how this done, right?
I did this.
Okay, wait, let me check.
Let me copy. No, I'm not letting you copy. Because I didn't say, how you want that? I don't already did my red book. No, you don't know how to do it. Then you just copy answer. I know, you need to like.
Okay, wait. So Jackie, Michelle made some bookmarks over 2 days. Okay, so on Monday, Jackie made 18 more than Michelle. On Tuesday, Jackie made another 35, and Michelle made another 19. So Tuesday is Jackie is 25, 19. At the end of the 2 days, Jackie made 5 out of 8 of the total number. Okay, this is tough.
No, it's not.
Wait. One. Wait. I thought. Wait.
5 to 3. So then J is minus 25 minus 18 and then minus 19 for Michelle. Find the start and then the start is always
Okay, wait.
So then 2 units should be 24 plus 5 units minus 3 units is 2 units. Then 43 minus 5 is 24.
Yeah, yes, yes, wait.
And 3 units is 36.
Okay, wait. Yeah,
I
so
got lost.
you got lost. Wait, but how y'all get 36? Okay, I know your method. Wait. So you draw model, how about you? How do you get it?
It's units.
Units. Yes, units. Okay, let me see how we can do this, right? So let's say if we start from Monday, Jackie made. Let's start Monday, Monday, Jackie made. Let me show, right? So Jackie is like 1 unit plus 18, right? Then after that, Michelle is just 1 unit. Okay, then on Tuesday, Jackie made another 25. So Tuesday.
Plus 90 equals to 5 units.
So wait. So Tuesday, Jackie plus 25. So here is additional 25, right? And Michelle made another 90, right? Okay, so these are wait first. Don't worry, I will take a look at your answer. I'm sure there's some reason to that. So this is Jackie and Michelle. Then at the end of the 2 days, Jackie made 5/8 of the total number. So this is the total number, right? And this is like 5 parts, 3 parts, right? So there is 8 parts.
I didn't do that way.
Huh?
Look at my way after this.
I know, don't worry. Jackie made 5, and then this is just 3. So if you want to use units and parts, let me just show you, right? So if you take these two, 1u plus 18 plus 25 is equal to 5 parts. Okay, and then here 1u plus 19 is equals to 3 parts. Wait, Ethel, wait. First, right? I know your brain is like going like well, but I need to go through this, right?
You should make the 5 and the 3 units.
What?
And then the 1 into 1.
Never mind. So let's add these two together first, okay? So if 1 unit plus this, what's this? 1u plus 43, right?
Yeah.
Is equal to 5 parts. And this is just the same, which is 1u plus 19 equals to 3 parts. And immediately from here, you can tell the difference, right? Yeah, 2 parts. Immediately we know 2 parts equals to the difference here. What's 43 minus 19? 24. So 1 part is 12. Okay. Now once we know 1 part is 12, how many bookmarks did Michelle make? So we just want to focus on Michelle, right? Which is 3 parts. So that's 36. Okay. Now what method am I using? I'm using units and parts. Yeah, it's fine, right? Units and parts is one method that to me, this is the to me this is one of the most difficult math method, heuristic method that many people don't really understand, right? But they can execute. Okay, like for example, Etta, I know you did it, right? But do you understand how it works? Like, do you know why you can like this, do this, then you get units parts, and you yeah. So if your teacher has taught you, that's great. Okay, we are joining the same class.
Because you use a crossover method, I don't use that one.
Okay, so units and parts. No, be patient about this, right? Yeah, wait first. Units and parts is one of the most difficult, in my opinion. Meaning it's tough to explain and tough to understand. Now, but the good thing is, once you understand units and parts, you will be able to solve some of the most difficult math problem sums in PSLE. Because traditionally, the most difficult, right, are always units and parts. Okay, great. I'll take a look later. Right. So traditionally, the most difficult are units and parts. So now we're still early, we are only in April. You know that there are stuff like that, and then there's methods to solve this quite easily. So once you make some effort, right, to go and learn this, it'll be very simple. Now, these units and parts, right, why is it so difficult? because it's a Sec 2 concept. This thing came from secondary 2. It's called simultaneous equation in secondary 2. Okay? Yeah, it's called simultaneous equation. So, so if you can understand, that's great. Okay, but then there are many variations. Okay, so that's just one. Next one. Anyone done 7 already? Oh, you did. What did you get for 7? $3.50. Anybody else? No? No? Didn't finish. Okay, I'll do this. Let's see. Okay, Lee spent $68.50 on 3 bars of chocolate, 4 boxes of cookies, and a bag of sweet. The cost. Okay. Now, yeah, by the time I look at the second line, right, I know I have to convert everything to the same kind of stuff. What do I mean by that? Now you see the cost of each chocolate bar, one chocolate bar is like 2 units, right? And then 2/5 as much as each cookie. So one cookie, one box of cookie, okay? One box of cookie is like 5 units. Okay? Then how about the sweets? One sweet, right? It's is 150 less than chocolate. So we take 2 units minus $1.50. All right, so that's the first thing you need to do. And I know to do this because I have obviously done a lot before. So this should be the fastest way. Okay, how about drawing model? I think it's going to be tough. The drawing model is tough. All right, now you see we have a total sum of money, which is $68.50 for all of this. So what we need to do next is to convert every one of them into like 3 bars of chocolate, right? You see, 1 chocolate equals to 2 units, right? How about 6 units? So this amount, which is $68.50, is equivalent to 6 units. That's the first one, 3 bars of chocolate. 4 boxes of cookie. You see, 1 cookie is 5, so 4 boxes is like 20 units. It's like 6 units plus 20U. Okay, and a bag of sweet. So the bag of sweet is this plus 2U minus $1.50. Okay, so with this we can consolidate all the units, right? So 28 unit is equivalent to $70. All right, and 1 unit 250. Just so nice. Yeah? 70 divided by. Oh, so nice. $2.50. So 1 unit is $2.50, and you know that you're on the right track because you get such nice numbers. So what's the cost of sweets? So sweets is 2 unit minus 150. Yeah, so 2 units $5 minus 150. So $5. And you will take away $1.50. Yes, you're right. $3.50. Okay. So what's the method that we use? Just convert everything to the same units for comparison. Alright, there's not any special heuristic yet. Okay, we have about 30 minutes left. We can try the next one. Huh? Why? It's so tough. Okay, so in question number 9, Gabriel had a rectangular piece of paper I showed. Now the ratio of the length to the breadth was 3:2. So this is 3. Wait. This is the last question for today. Okay, so this is 3 units and this is 2 units. Anyone got anything for this? Question 9? No? No? This is tough. So he cut out 6 semicircles as shown, diameter 14. Wait, okay. The breadth was now 3 times as long as the length of AB. The breadth, oh, okay, so this is like, okay, so these 2 units,
one of the 1 unit right, of the same as
35.
25.
25.
So if you find the parameter in figure 1, I think it is 250.
Wait first, the breadth.
I don't think it's right.
What the parameter? Okay, so this now becomes 3 times. Now, if I want to continue this, right, 2 and 3, what I can do is I want to change this to 6. I want it to be a multiple of 3. So this is 6 units. Now, if this is 6 units, this have to automatically upgrade to 9. Very good. Who said that? Jabel. That's right. Okay, so here's 6 units, here 9 units. Now, that means each one of this is 2, 2, 2, and this is the breadth is now 3 times. Oh, so this is 2. This 2 as well.
How do you know that that is 2 units?
2, 2, 2. Cut, huh?
Wait, is it?
No. As in this was drawn. But they say that the breadth is now 3 times. So this is 3 times of this. Got it? This is 3 times. So if this is 3 times, here 2, 2, 2, there must be 2. And here is 2 as well. Okay. Now if this is 2, can you see that at first is 9? And if here is 2, this must be 7. Yeah, so this has to be 7, which means for the 2 cm, which is so for the 2 cm represents 7 units. So 1 unit equals to 6. Okay, so 1 unit equals to 6. So this is 6, 6, 6, 6. All right. What are the parameters of a rectangular piece of paper in figure 1? So if 1 unit is 6, I get how many units altogether? 6, 6, 12, 12 plus 40 units, right? The parameter is 40 units. Okay, because here is 6, here is 6. Oh, sorry. This is 9. This is 9 units, and this is 6 units. Okay, 9, 9, 6, 6. So altogether 40 U. Okay. 6 times 40. 240. 240 cm. Okay. Okay, so 40 units, 18 plus 12. Wait, 18 plus 12 is it? 30. Maths fail. Sorry. 18 plus 12 is 30. So 30 times 6, 180. Sorry. Okay, so that's the answer. Alright, so how do we do this? We merge this stuff. Alright, so we're gonna play a game today, because we got some serious stuff to be done. Alright, maybe next week. We'll see how. Okay, now how about homework? Now you see we have quite a bit of questions. Whoa. Yeah, 180. 2, 3. Can I try this? Superstar. Yeah, this is very difficult. 12. Yeah, this is 12. This is I give you the heuristic. It's called value and units. If you know, you know. Value and units. Yeah, just this one. Yeah, this one, right? Under heuristic, VU. VU stands for value and units. If you know how to do value and units, this will be easy. Okay, that's all for today. Goodbye. Yeah.